Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying account and app readiness. Confirm KYC, update to the latest release, and log into Fampay. Next, enable the app's built-in PIN or biometric lock inside Fampay settings. This keeps transactions protected without a device screen lock. Also set up a separate guest profile or parental control on the phone so the app stays isolated. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are secure, and keep recovery credentials handy to avoid being locked out later. Now configure access policies inside the app. Choose a strong, unique 4 to 6-digit PIN or enroll fingerprint/face unlock if Fampay supports it. Adjust session timeout to a short interval and require confirmation for every payment or card action. This reduces risk when the device is unlocked. Place the app inside a restricted profile or guest account to prevent others from opening unrelated apps. Also disable auto-fill of payment details and regularly review linked. Finish by testing everything. Log out, log back in with the app PIN or biometric, run a small authorized transaction and confirm you get a notification. If the app rejects biometrics or PIN, clear cache, update or reinstall the app and reconfigure security options. Contact Fampay support if problems persist. Make sure backups and remote wipe are enabled as a fallback. If you still worry about physical access, consider adding a minimal device lock later. This is the simplest way to close remaining risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.